The Light of the Old Masters. Isn't that a great title? But what is it? Well, in the old days, we all know those pictures, right? Hardcore, George Hurrell, film noir. It's that awesome look where you have total light control. Well, this video is all about total light control and mimicking the look of those old masters. But we're going to do way more because we are not in the old times anymore, of course. We are in modern times. So we're going to talk about using flags in a modern studio. Of course, combining continuous lighting with strobes for a film noir look. How to create those really nice harsh shadows on your model, for example, from blinds. And of course, how to get mood in your pictures. I'm going to share a lot of different tips to get a nice glow in your images without breaking the bank. We're going to talk about specialty lenses like the Lensbaby system. We're going to talk about a lot of stuff that really adds that magic of the old masters to your images. The video is available now and I'm 100% sure you're going to love it. It's very technical, but I'm very sure that even if you're a beginner, you get a lot of information out of it. But this is the video about total light control, Glamour, the Light of the Old Masters. Available now.